Chapter 10, Section 4, Extension, Odds. The objective of this lesson is to learn to convert between probability and odds. The odds in favor of an event is a ratio of favorable outcomes to unfavorable outcomes. The odds against an event is the ratio of unfavorable outcomes to favorable outcomes. Odds in favor would be A to B. Odds against would be B to A. A would represent the number of favorable outcomes, odds in favor. B would represent the number of unfavorable outcomes. A plus B is the total number of outcomes. So, probability and odds are not quite the same thing, but they are related. Example 1, finding odds. In a club raffle, 1,000 tickets are sold, and there are 25 winners. Estimate the odds in favor of winning this raffle. Favorable outcomes are 25. Unfavorable outcomes is 1,000 minus 25, or 975 outcomes are unfavorable. The odds in favor of winning this raffle are, this would be favorable outcomes, and over here would be unfavorable outcomes. Please write those numbers in, and then go ahead and simplify that down to 1, 2, and then write down your answer here. The odds against winning this raffle are, this would be unfavorable outcomes to how many favorable outcomes, and that would be 39. Like I mentioned before, probability and odds, they're not the same thing, but they are related. Suppose you know the probability of rolling a 2 on a die. There's only one way to get a 2, and 5 ways not to get a 2. So the odds in favor of rolling a 2 are 1 to 5. Notice that the sum of the numbers in the ratio is the denominator of the probability. The sum of the numbers in the ratio, 1 and 5, are the total outcomes, and that is the denominator in our probability. Converting odds to probabilities. If the odds in favor of an event are A to B, then the probability of the event occurring is A over A plus B, because A plus B would be the total number of outcomes. This is for probability. Converting between odds and probability. If the odds in favor of winning a CD player at a school raffle are 1 to 49, what is the probability of winning the CD player? Again, they are asking probability. So we're converting from the odds of 1 to 49 to probability. So the probability of winning the CD player would be 1 to 1 plus 49. Please simplify that and go ahead and write that as a percent over here.